and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Okay, so I am getting ready to go. It is, hey, what time is it?
It's 6:07 a.m.
6:07. I was supposed to leave at 6. Alright, so this time, switching it up. I got this jumpsuit. It's a little lighter than my bibs that I normally wear. Let me put some ice on my neck. Okay, what is up, YouTube? Whew. I am headed to Pittsburgh right now. I'm going to welcome to my channel. I am headed to Babes Ride Out East Coast, which is in Narrowsburg, New York. We're going to go camping there. So right now and after the camping trip, I'm headed other places, and I will tell you that along the way. So I'm going to hit different states and different cities. So make sure you subscribe, like this video. Stay tuned, baby, because I have so much in store for you. So as you can see, the beautiful St. Louis Arch down there. I am leaving St. Louis and headed to Pittsburgh today. This is a 9-hour ride. My estimated time arrival is 5:09. I was supposed to leave at 6 o'clock this morning, but packing my bike was a little more than I thought. I have like so much on my bike, and I'm going to be gone for a long time, so I understand, but I am super minimalist and I hate packing a lot of stuff, so I'm not very happy about that. But other than that, it's a good day. It's a good morning. It's about 65, 68 degrees. I have on a hoodie, no big deal. So we're finna slide out of St. Louis, travel the 9 hours to Pittsburgh, get a hotel, and I'll see you at the first gas stop. I got a full tank right now, so this should be fun. Super excited. I did not eat breakfast yet, so let's see what we can get into. All right, let's go. Look at the arch, man. Sheesh. Let's go. When I see that arch coming back, boy, I'm gonna celebrate, because this is a road trip right here. This one is like no other I've done. I want to be on the road for like a week, so it's just gonna be fun. And if you don't know me, I'm QueenSit, and I am a teacher. I am a PE teacher this year. I used to be math, science, and reading and all of that, but I switched to PE once I became an ambassador and started riding motorcycles and doing these amazing things. I decided to go to the gym and have some more fun. I used to play basketball in college, Division I basketball player for Western Illinois University. I graduated with my bachelor's in education. For the people who have been following me, I'm sure you're probably like, what the heck? How am I just finding this stuff out? So I played on TV and all of that. And then I played semi-professional basketball for the Illinois Shooting Stars. We are back on the road. It is 9:35. I took about 20 minutes at the gas station. What's up, YouTube? Okay, so it rained on me. You see the rain out here, but it's cool. I'm at McDonald's. I'm gonna grab me a fish sandwich and some fries. I really did not want to eat at McDonald's, but this is the only thing at this exit they have, and I needed gas. This is my second time filling up. Gas been like $15 a tank, so it's kind of, it's a little higher than no, $16 a tank, a little higher than normal, but it is what it is. So I think I got about 4 more hours. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Look, so I got my food. I'm gonna eat real quick, hop back on. I appreciate you, thank you. I'm gonna hop back on the road. She just brought my food out, a nice customer. We've been waiting a while. So yeah, I'll see y'all. I think I probably got one more gas stop, then I'll be at the hotel. All right, let's go. All right, now I'm about to hop back on this thing. This fire bike, I'm still in love with this bike. Flaws and all, baby. Did I do this right, y'all? Oh, that's a spider. I know you lying. I feel it's secure, but I feel like, see, I made this a backrest. I should probably be in the row. I'm trying to explain stuff, but yeah. So I made this a backrest. I love Sissy Bar. I know a lot of people be like, you should get a tour pack and all that. I appreciate it on other people's bikes, but for me, this is my bike cover. We got my tent, my camping chair down there. This my sleeping bag. You know, all my clothes. But yeah, I just like the look of this. I don't know why. I appreciate the tour back on someone else's bike, but I'm the Sissy Bar style.
Proceed to the route.
Everybody got a different style. Every biker got a different style. Do y'all know my style yet? I'm finna go. Let's go. All right, now it's raining, and I just want to say that when people always ask, like, why are you riding in the rain? You need to go park your bike. Don't ride in the rain. You crazy. Why are you riding in the rain? This is the moment for why I ride in the rain, so that this does not faze me. And I'm not bothered by this at all. Do I wish it was sunny? Yeah. But it's not. So we got some rain to go through, but I ride in it all the time, so it's like second nature right now. I will say that if there were train tracks in front of me, I probably would think twice, like, uh-oh, let me make sure I'm doing this right. But make sure you go check out my video of my first motorcycle accident. Happened like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, so that might be a little triggering in the rain, but I've been over train tracks since then in the rain, and it's been fine. Well, so I gotta unplug this mic now because it's really coming down. So see you in a few. Alright, y'all, I'm at my last gas stop. I'm 2 hours away from Pittsburgh. About $13. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get that to 13. But I'm staying at the downtown Pittsburgh. And you know I'm gonna do a review on the hotel to let y'all know which one is the one. 13 even. Whew. Oh shit. Okay. Now we outside. Shout out to my assistant over here working. I'll go quick. Instagram. Yeah. Looking up a hotel. Cause I didn't book no hotels. That's how we like it. Spontaneous. Spontaneous. to find food, so I don't even have anything up. I need to park. All right, y'all. I've been to 3 hotels already. I don't like the parking situations they have. Some of the parking is across the street for public, and it's like, this is weird. Pittsburgh, get it together. If I could park here. So there's the Hilton and there's the parking lot. So let's see what the heck is going on. I don't know. Oh, look at the puppy. Alright, let's see what they're talking about. Okay, looks good. No public restroom. Okay, they got the garage connected. I think this might be it. I think I can do this one. Alright, so this is their parking garage. It's open to the public too, but I like that the rooms are connected. Okay, here is the hotel room. Just got through eating dinner. It's not bad. It's cool. I actually like it. And putting together this YouTube video so I can go to bed. All right, that's it, y'all. See you tomorrow. What kind